Hey everyone, my name is Kiki and welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I got these jumbo knotless bob box braids, just keep on watching. Alright, so I already pre-parted my hair. I started by parting my hair from ear to ear, and then I parted out 26 sections in total, 16 in the back and then 10 in the front, 5 on each side. The hair I'm going to be using today is Janet Collection Jumbo Braid that I got from my local beauty supply store. Alright, so this hair is pretty long, but for this style, I want like shoulder length braids. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in half. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to separate my hair. I'm going to try to get 6 out of every pack. So at first I'm going to split it in half. And then with 1/2, I'm going to split it 1 and 2. Alright, and then once I've split it into 3, I'm going to take that piece and I'm going to split it into 4. And for the knotless box braids, I'm going to make sure that the pieces are pretty even. Alright, so the products I'm going to be using today is the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream, Shine and Jam Extra Hold, and a spray bottle. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my ends with water because I just find it easier to braid it that way. And then next I'm going to add some of the coconut curling cream. And then after that, I'm going to add some of the Shine and Jam to my perimeter and I'm going to smooth it throughout my hair. Next, it's time to start the braid. I'm going to take my section and I'm going to part it into 3 little sections. And then I'm going to begin braiding my hair. I'm going to braid it once. And then I'm going to braid it one more time. And then I'm going to take a piece of hair and I'm going to add it into. Using my pinky finger, I'm going to take it and I'm going to slide it under into my pointer finger and my thumb. And then I'm going to braid it once, twice, and then I'm going to take the other piece of hair and I'm going to slide it under. And then I'm not going to braid again. I'm going to take another piece of hair and I'm going to add it in. Again, sliding it into my pointer finger and my thumb, leaving one piece out, braiding it 1, 2, and then I'm going to take the other piece of hair and I'm going to slide it under. I'm going to repeat these steps until I've added all 4 pieces of my hair, and then I'm just going to braid the braid down. And once I've braided my hair down to the desired length, I'm going to add in a rubber band to secure the ends. And then I'm going to repeat this process for every braid. Alright, so I finished my first 3 rows, and just here's a quick look at what everything's looking like so far. And since I'm going for a shoulder length bob, I measure each braid up to each other and then I put the rubber band and cut so everything's even. Alright, so I'm on my last braid. Once I was done with this braid, I cut my ends and I burned them and I dipped them in hot water. Alright, so once I'm done braiding my hair, I'm going to oil my scalp with the Camille Rose Cocoa Nibs and Honey Ultimate Growth Serum. And I love this stuff, you guys. It's not too heavy at all, and it just seeps right into my scalp. Next, I'm going to use some olive oil Eco Styler gel and my trusty toothbrush, and I'm going to lay my edges. And once I've done that, I'm going to take my do-rag and I'm going to tie it on my head so that my edges can set, and we're all done. So here's the final look. It took me about 4 hours to do, and I used a total of 9 packs of hair. I cut one in half, and then the rest of them I just left long. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video and or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.